Hey guys, hopefully you watched the Around the Corner video, and hopefully it gave you a little bit of insight as to how differentials work. And so since we've got our cutaway differential here, I thought I'd show you some of the workings of that and hopefully answer any questions that you might have. Pay attention, some of our exit survey questions will be answered here. So what we've got, you all have seen this before, kind of stays wide open here in the classroom. This is an open differential, and so what that means is it doesn't have a way to lock each wheel together. Okay, and so as the wheels turn, they're turned by the drive shaft, which will connect to this flange. Assuming you didn't forget that somewhere, and it's at a junkyard right now. But anyway, so as the drive shaft turns, it's going to turn this pinion gear, and here's a pretty good view of what one of these looks like outside of its natural habitat. And so you've got big, thick, heavy gears. You've also got tapered roller bearing on here. You've got one there, and then on this one you can see that there's one that points in the other way. And if we remember about tapered roller bearings, we've got to have two, and they've got to face each other because they only provide bearing protection one way. And so on this example, we've also got a speed sensor reluctor wheel, and then we've got threads down here for the nut to go on to actually connect the flange to it. And so as far as operation goes, when this turns, this pinion gear is going to turn the ring gear. When it turns the ring gear is bolted to the carrier, and inside here you can see that we've got a side gear that is splined to an axle, so anytime the axle moves, the side gear has to move. And these are actually in mesh with these pinion gears, and because we've already got a pinion gear here, a lot of folks are going to call these spider gears. And so the spider gears are able to walk around the side gears. See how they're walking around inside the housing, and that allows one axle to turn independently of the other. And so that's where the name differential comes from, because the wheels are able to spin at different speeds. So if you're going around a gas pump or around a curve or something like that, you don't have both wheels turning, breaking traction on the tires. So it provides a little more stability and a little more predictability with driving. So hopefully that answered a few questions and kind of made this a little more obvious to us.